Wait a second. What channel did I land on? Let me tell you. This is San Diego-chan.
Hi folks, this video is a tour of my recent visit to the Pinball Hall of Fame in Las Vegas. It's located at the south end of the strip at 4935 South Las Vegas Boulevard. It's across the street from the Mandalay Bay and the new Raiders Stadium. Not really in the best part of town, but given the development happening at this end of the strip, it's definitely a promising location. This is a new location that opened in 2020. The original location was on Tropicana Boulevard, just off of the strip. So when you walk in, you don't really know where to go. There's nothing really welcoming you and telling you what direction to go to. It looks like a big arcade. There is no admission to get into the Pinball Hall of Fame, but you do have to pay for all the games that you play. And the games vary from anywhere 50 cents per pinball game, all the way up to $1.50 for some. So there is a lot of pinball machines here. They have more than pinball. There's all kinds of video games and machines. And they're not organized in any certain fashion. You got old ones with new ones. And I was surprised. You would think they had every pinball machine ever made at this Hall of Fame, but they don't actually. I was actually looking for some that I played during my childhood that I actually asked the attendant working if they had it, and he looked on his list and he said, nope, we don't have it. So these old crane machines caught my eye. I remember playing these on the boardwalk in Ocean City, Maryland, so I had to give it a go to relive my childhood. Didn't really have much success, as you'll see here, but it was still fun either way. There is something fun and nostalgic about playing these old machines. This must be from the 30s, probably. You will notice, though, a lot of the machines are not working properly. I played a few pinball games, and a lot of the bumpers weren't working, or different features weren't working, or balls would get stuck. You'll also notice that a lot of the machines are out of order. There was quite a few that were out of order. And when I spoke to the attendant working, he said that they just don't have enough people working at the location to be fixing the machines and maintaining them. But there was quite a few that were out of order, and they didn't really work well. The ones that I played anyway. One other thing I'll note is there wasn't many people here the night that I was there. It was a Saturday night when I was there, and it was pretty quiet. I mean, there must have been maybe 20 people total. Looks like they do birthday parties and that kind of thing, but it was pretty quiet. But definitely go check it out. If you're in Las Vegas, it's plenty of parking, easy location to get to. You know, if you played pinball as a kid, it will bring back some old memories. So, well, hey, thanks for checking out my video. Appreciate it. And enjoy the rest of the tour.